I can't stop drinking the coffee. I stopped drinking the coffee. I stopped doing the standing and the walking and the words putting into sentence doing.
Hey guys! So, today, I got my Boxycharm. I know I haven't done one of these in a long time. I still get it though. I love this box. I love this box. So when you open up the box, this is what you're gonna see. Oh my god. Ah! This is super exciting. Okay, so Rock 2018. I got my total little space bun, rocker bun type thing going on. Totally cool. Or kawaii. I don't know. But still, really cool. I'm not going to look at the back of this yet though, because this is where all the products in the box are. And this has an ingredient list for the Dr. Brandt stuff. It's in the box. So I guess we'll start there. So we got a illuminating primer base Lumiere by Dr. Brandt. Very cool. Okay, luminizing is not necessarily my favorite thing in the world because I'm typically a pretty decent greaseball. But put this here and you can kind of see it's got a nice subtle luminous quality. It smells good, kind of like tea. Kind of smells like tea. So yeah, that just rubs right in there. It has a nice feeling to it. I might like this. We will see. I don't always have the best luck with primers. Okay, next up we got a Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil by It Cosmetics. And I just realized I did not tell you the price of this. So okay, price of the Dr. Brandt is $38. Damn, you're expensive. All right, and this It Cosmetics Brow Powder is $24. So definitely not the cheapest, but this is in Universal Taupe. I believe with this one, the harder you press, the darker it goes. It's got a spoolie on one end, and it's got a pencil on the other. I've heard good things about this pencil. We'll see. All right, light. And heavier pressure. Feels like a pencil that needs to be warmed up. Granted, it's been sitting in a very cold room all night. For some reason, this room is cold. I need to get some insulating curtains because this room's cold. Not that you care. All right. Next up in the box is a matte lip paint by Girlactic, which is awesome because I've been wanting to try Girlactic lip paints forever. And this is in the shade Demure. Ooh. Alright. Oh, look at that packaging. And that color. This color looks like it's going to be right up my alley. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that color. Oh, that's gorgeous. And I love me some matte lips. Oh! I'm very, very excited about this. All right. Then we got this Pure Bronze and Brighten. This is a palette. This is a palette. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. All right. Swatchy time. Ooh, these are really soft and extremely pigmented. Holy crap. All right. Woo! Yes. Holding. I think I picked up too much. These are super pigmented. These will also make really good eyeshadows in case these are too dark for your skin tone, like this bronzy color. Definitely probably use as an eyeshadow. This highlight though, that's pretty. I've got too much on already, but we'll just tap whatever's left of my finger on my cheeks. Holy crap, I went to town with my highlight today. Whoopsie. I guess I wasn't really paying attention. All right, so that's what that is. Let's check the price of the last two products since I totally forgot to say. The Pure Cosmetics Complexion Authority Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette is $34 and the Girlactic Lip Paint is $23. Wow. Okay, just saying this, but being that Boxycharm is only $21 a month, holy crap, these are some expensive items. I am quite impressed with what we're getting this month. And I gotta say, there's still one more thing in the box that I'm super excited about. And it's a palette. It's eyeshadows. This is the Glam Metals by Crown Brush. It's got a nice little slippy case, and then this little cardboard packaging, nice and sleek. I do kind of like this packaging, especially for traveling. Not that I do that very often, but still, the idea is there. Oh, wow. Okay, look at these shades. Wow. All right, so it does have a little tiny mirror in there. I don't usually use my mirrors in my palette, so I don't really care that it's like tiny and guitar shaped, which is probably a pain in the butt to do your makeup in. Actually, not too bad, but still. But this, yes. Oh, okay, let's get swatching. I'm just gonna go and we're gonna swatch them all. Look at that. All right. This middle row is speaking to me. Yes, look at those colors. Look at them go. I've had too much coffee. Holy crap. These aren't bad at all. Like, look at this palette. That pigment though. The colors, they're kind of cool. Kind of grungy. Remind me of the 90s. Although, so does this look that I'm wearing right now. Totally 90s vibes going on. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Granted, when I was in high school, this was kind of like something I did all the time. Maybe not as fanned out, but I did the little pigtail buns all the time. I loved doing my hair like that. So, yeah, totally feeling 90s vibes with this palette. And I'm going to have fun with this. Yes, I am going to have fun. God, look at that. All right, so this palette retails for $25, which ain't too bad. Not bad at all. Milani just launched a palette that was like 20 bucks. Looks really cool though. I'm gonna be honest, I'm half tempted. If you're interested in that, let me know and I'll order it. If not, then I might have to pass because I have so many neutrals palettes that I kind of feel bad when I keep buying more. You know I'll probably end up getting it anyway. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already because that also helps. And if you want me to keep bringing content, then you gotta subscribe to my channel before you leave. Please.
Fun fact. Hey guys! So today, what the hell is this?